Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write on a whiteboard like this one. You'll need a dry erase marker, just like this. Then, you can go to the board, uncap the marker by taking the cap off like this, and then placing it on the board and moving it around. Now this marker is out of ink, so it's not going to be very useful. I'm going to get another one. This marker has ink on it, so when I place it on the board and dragging it around, it can create images. Now you can create specific images, like a square, by placing it, moving it right, down, left, and up the same amount each time. Or you can put certain words in it by drawing the words and then moving the marker. So now we have a 1 + 1 = 1 square. You can give it an underline by placing and moving right underneath it. You can give it a check mark, an X. X requires two things. You can just do a squiggle by randomly moving your marker in a specific area. There's a lot you can do on a whiteboard. Anyway, if this video was useful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time.